Hi guys, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a warp pipe, a Mario warp pipe. It's going to be ridiculously easy actually, and I kind of debated on whether I was going to do a tutorial on this or not because it's so easy, but I guess I'm going to do it. I'm going to be using this marker. It's a Faber-Castell PITT artist pen. It is better than a Sharpie. Sharpies smell really bad and they are thinner. The Sharpie smell, I guess, causes brain damage over the course of using it over a few years or something like that, so don't inhale that stuff. Don't do it in a ventilated room. This doesn't have a smell at all, so that's why I buy this. I can give you a link to the description. There's gonna be a link to this in the description if you want to buy it. But yeah, otherwise you can buy it in an art store. So Faber-Castell PTT artist pen, big brush. That's the main one. All right, let's get going. Let me draw your attention for a little bit, and let's draw a Mario warp pipe. And it's gonna be so easy. It will not. Oh my god, it'll be so easy. So, warp pipe. Straight line. I'm gonna talk like I'm in golf. Straight line. Down. Down. Line across. Essentially, this is just a rectangle. Maybe pick around this area. Squeeze it in, just bunch it in. Straight line down. Straight line down. And that's it. That is it. If you really want, you can throw a line right here and a line right here. And that will show some sort of dimension to the whole thing. Maybe thick on that side, and you can throw a thin line on this side, thinner on near the outer edges of this. And if you really want, you can maybe throw some ground right here. Some ground and maybe some mountains. Or a bush. Let's do bush. That's pretty much it. That's a Mario warp pipe. It's essentially a rectangle, a long rectangle with maybe a smaller square or rectangle below it. Possibly a line on this side for dimension. I don't tend to do them the same thickness or anything. You can because it is supposedly a tube. Wow, I just markered my hand. That's pretty much it. So that's the simplest tutorial of all time, I hope. If you like Mario related stuff, hit that like button. If you like or request some stuff from Mario that you want. I'm gonna be doing other things. There's a lot of I have a huge request list right now, so I'm gonna be doing a lot of those. And thank you for watching. If you enjoyed that, please hit the like. If it was easy enough, press that like. Also, don't forget, I have a free ebook on how to draw cute stuff. It is an ebook about 8 to 10 pages, really easy, meant to print out, very simple. And it takes you through the proportions of drawing something cute. So it'll teach you that. Thank you for the people who've already responded in great ways to it. I appreciate it. I'm not gonna have that forever, so please do that immediately. It's free, it is in the description. I'm gonna try to put it as the first link, and that's it. Talk to you in the next video. Yeah.